So today I'm going to attempt my first ever wig wash. This is the first wig I've ever owned in my life. I bought this wig, say about 2014, I think. So that makes it like 5, 6 years ago. I bought it from eStyles when eStyles was still a thing, like a very big thing at the time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and wash this wig myself. I've never ever washed a wig before, guys. This is my very first attempt. So please bear with me. And I watched a YouTube tutorial before doing this. So I'm going to try and see if I can actually bring this wig back to life. Okay. So what I did first is that I dipped this wig in lukewarm water. As you guys can see, the water was lukewarm, I think. Yeah. I used my organics shampoo and conditioner to wash the weave. So what I did, guys, I was actually quite afraid to touch this thing. I didn't know what to do. As you guys can see here, I'm so hesitant as to what I meant to be doing. So kesana emanandi deep Cooper. I think the water is also a bit too warm. I don't even know if I'm supposed to click this thing or not. So you know what? Let's just add the shampoo because girly are you calling the So I'm gonna add the shampoo now. As you guys can see, I'm adding it. Ndifake. Badla ngokuthi ke abaka YouTubers don't be stingy. So I'm just gonna add some more. Make sure that it's all soaked in that shampoo, honey. Then I'll rub the shampoo in. I'll rub it in. This is a wig with a fringe, so I'm just trying to get the fringe part in as well. Conditioner yakho. Even the elastic and the wig is like tired. It is tired. Pin and shampoo because it just the end was still a bit dry. So I add a bit more shampoo towards the end. As you guys can see, it's dirty. It is dirty. This hair is dirty. Girl, ooh, girlfriend, it's not washing. It is a wig. Oh my goodness, it's color so using one, but game does it. I had to glitter it because it didn't wig. I lent it to a friend of mine. She had it for about a month or two, and this is the condition she brought it in. Like, I don't understand why she would bring it back into this condition, rather in this condition. And I know, if you know me, you know, like I'm anti like lending a wig, but this one, anyway, maybe I should tell you guys a story time about how I ended up lending my friend a wig. If you guys want me to do a story time about that, comment down below and I will. So I'm going to say up and down because I'm just trying to find what direction is not working. It's definitely not working if I use a comb. So I'm just going to continue to wash. Make sure you wash the inside as well because Siyabila, and also because this wig was worn by someone else. So like I've got to do a thorough wash. Do you understand what I mean? So I am going to do a second wash because this wig is very dirty and lamanza pelem daga now. So I just thought, you know what, let me fill the basin with more water. Can you guys see? If you look at the water, rather look how the color is changing of the water, because like imdagalev is imdag. So the intention was to rinse it now, but because it is still dirty, I'm rather just gonna do a second wash. Okay. So that is the organic shampoo that I'm using. The 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just going to reapply it, reapply the shampoo again. Not stingy. I feel like the more than I did the first time because I takashem. So yeah, let me wash this wig for the second time. So I wasn't sure if I was meant to rinse and condition. I didn't. If I was supposed to, please let me know. So what I did after that is I saw on YouTube that putting it in the microwave helps. So I put it in the microwave for about 2 or 3 minutes. I put the wig into the microwave for 2 or 3 minutes. Yo ishushu ke sana, ibe shushu nyan nyan nyan. So after that, then I cook back microwave and I took it back to the basin. And I think this is when I actually rinsed it. Yeah, I think this is when I rinsed it. Yeah. And then I rinsed the weave here after I took it out from the microwave. Yeah, apparently this microwave thing really works. I saw on someone's video on YouTube. And apparently it's great to revive wigs. So okay, so the comb is a little bit more effective now. As you guys saw the first time when I tried to use the comb, it wasn't really working out, but now at least I got like 5 movements from the comb. Yeah, so I'm rinsing it. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm applying it with my leave-in conditioner. Also from Organics. Yeah, this is the leave-in conditioner. I apply it onto the wig. Do you guys call it a wig or weave? I feel like it's the same thing to me. It's the same thing, baby girl. Don't be petty now. Okay. So I'm gonna apply the leave-in conditioner onto the wig, weave, whatever you call it, or whatever you want to call it. If I had more, I wouldn't have been stingy, but that's I want a pelele babes, like a pelele conditionally. So I'm actually really like using the last of it for this treatment. So as you guys can see, I'm applying some conditioner. Faka yonke, babes. Don't be stingy. Okay. Yazi intwana guys, ikhona into endiyibhidanisayo apha, but I think I put the weave back into the microwave. I put it in for another what was it? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Put it in for 3 minutes. Okay, great. I put it in for 3 minutes and yeah, brought it back out and let's see what it looks now. The plastic is shushu sana, is shushu ndiyiphekile le wave. Basically ndiyiphekile. I might as well have just put it into imbiza and ndiyibilise. I wonder if that works. Has anyone ever tried that? I'm sure that works. Like uyibilise with. Why does it make? I've got a feeling that works. But if it does work, let me know down below. Or if I'm gonna fankak, tell me if you know you're talking kak. But anyway, so now it's back from the microwave again. Yo, I shushu my babe, I shushu. I think I'm going to rinse it. So I think the leave-in conditioner thing works because now you pick again in a leave-in conditioner. Yeah, well, as you guys saw in that clip, it is looking slightly more, silkinyana. I don't know if you want to know the londo, but it is because kala sana ibe ngathi still so ngokwe at least ngathi noko yi pot scrape. What a comparison. But yeah, it does look better. I don't know what to compare it to, but it looks better. Look at that. Even the ends are looking a bit more separated. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse it a bit. Yeah. Yeah, man, it looks a bit more flowy. Look at that. It's got a bit more life into it now. Look at that. It's flowing. Guys. Before the leave-in conditioner and the microwave. So kudos to the microwave and the leave-in conditioner. So it's time to dry this thing. You know what, Ne? Every time I saw people hanging their wigs on the line, I would think, yo, this is so ghetto. I guess that is simply just my ignorance. So I put it on the line and I let it hang there for a few hours. Right, guys, so at this point I took the wig off the line and I started straight ironing it. Yeah, I'm using my tripod, as you guys can see, and I am straight ironing the weave, layer by layer, row by row. It was a bit of a challenge because it wasn't as flowy and as loose as I would want it to be. But I mean, what am I expecting? I've had this wig for like over 5 years. So it didn't even but I'm just trying to like wake it up a bit. So yeah. There were some parts where I actually had to comb it out first because it was tangled from the air drying, I think. Okay, not because of that, because indala. Anyway, I'm flat ironing it here and I'll show you the final product shortly. Right, guys, that's the final look for the weave. As you guys saw, I washed it and I just air dried it, and I also used a straightening iron to get it to come right. This weave does not drive me crazy. I feel like because I've done so many alterations to it, I've had it for such a long time that I didn't really want to lose the hair, and I've been doing so much with it. And the final thing that I did with this weave is that I gave it a fringe, but I do feel like this fringe has way too much volume. So yeah. Anyway, that is the final look. Tell me, guys, if you think that, I definitely think that the microwave method works, because as you guys saw, this weave looked hella bad before, and now it's looking a bit different. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I love you. Bye bye.